Hello everyone, this is video introduce key features of HZG Cordless Pressure Washer, Brushless Portable Pressure Washer, 3 adjustable levels with 6-in-1 nozzle, max 950 psi, 2 times 21 volt. 4.0 amp hour rechargeable battery. We will introduce the features and brief details, what's features including. To make a decision before buy order. Overview or important features are include. Upgraded powerful brushless motor. Brushless motors reign supreme for present-day applications. The design of the brushless units reduces internal resistance and helps dissipate the heat generated in the stator coils. They represent a huge leap forward in technology. Brushless motors have significantly higher efficiency and performance, and lower susceptibility to mechanical wear. Have an overall higher speed and torque and produce less noise than traditional brushed counterparts. 3 gears adjustable with 6-in-1 nozzle. 3 different levels provide different water pressures, suitable for various cleaning situations. Car pressure washer has an adjustable 6-in-1 nozzle, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, foam spray and shower modes, allows you to switch between different water flow intensities to suit various cleaning tasks. The portable power washer also provides a foam tank, which is convenient for cleaning stains on vehicles, bikes, boats, windows, floors, swimming pools, and driveways. Adopted by the exclusive 21-volt 4.0 amp-hour battery system, the rechargeable power battery can be recharged repetitively more than 300 times. And by the overheat/overcharge/explosion-proof protection. Water output 5 liter per minute, the powerful brushless motor provides up to 950 psi max, 900 psi rated, releasing 7x more pressure than a regular garden hose. The 5-meter, about 200-inch, hose and the foldable bucket can draw water from any water source. And the filter basket can effectively and deeply filter impurities, particles, waste leaves, sludge and more, better protecting our pressure machine. Compared with traditional pressure cleaners, our cordless power washer is lighter and more portable, only 3.6 pounds. It is the best choice for long trips and outdoor camping. If you want to get more details, we recommend click link in the YouTube description, to see all of detail before actually ordering. And of course, we are affiliated with Amazon. You can get early reviews of products with little or no reviews. Helping shoppers make smarter purchasing decisions. If you think our channel is useful for you, you can subscribe and press the bell and select all, to receive instant notifications for all future uploads.